Smart power plugs. Smart electrical power plugs from DGM. This smart solution is controlled by the SmartDGM mobile app using a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. The DGM range includes several models of smart power plugs. The simplest model allows you to switch the connected devices on and off remotely. There is also a model with an additional USB port and a version which enables monitoring the power consumption. Another great solution is the Smart Power Strip, which can be used to connect up to 7 different devices. Pairing the device. Every device has an on-off button. Press and hold the on-off button for 6 to 8 seconds until the control LED starts blinking, which means that the pairing has started. Start the pairing process in the app by pressing the plus icon in the top right-hand corner of the application screen. Select the type of device you want to add. In this case, select Smart Power Plug or Strip. Confirm the Wi-Fi network ID and password for the application to begin searching for devices. After a few seconds, your plugs will be added to the application. You can assign custom names to the plugs and change them at any time. The basic functions available are manual, remote control of switching on and switching off of power to the devices, programming a schedule for turning devices on or off, creating relationship schemes between different SmartDGM devices, such as door sensors or motion detectors. You also have the option of creating activity scenarios depending on the outside conditions, such as sunrise and sunset.